Hi there, Year 9, it's Mrs. King here, and I'm recording this video for you to show you how you can make your option choices. So what will happen is, in your school Outlook account, you'll be sent an email from this address, noreply@sims.co.uk. Don't bother to reply to them, as the name suggests, because they won't speak to you. It's just an automatically generated email. So you click on the email, and don't worry, you don't need to check every day. We'll let you know when the emails have all been sent out. You'll get an email that looks like this. It'll have a big green box that will say accept invitation. Before you do that, don't rush into anything. At the bottom, it says there is a personal invite code. You need to either make a note of that or just copy it. You're going to need that later. So click on the email, copy the code, and then you can click on the accept invitation box. Then it will take you to this screen that talks about activating your account. Ignore all the stuff at the top. We're not interested in any of that. We want you to click on register with an external account. Click on that. And it will take you to this box. It's a bit like Satchel. Ignore everything at the top again. We want you to click on the Windows icon at the bottom. Give it a moment and it will start to log in. Then it will take you to this page, which will talk about registration. Okay, and it will tell you to insert your personal invite code. If you can't remember it, you can always go back into the email. If you didn't copy it and type it in, then click register. You don't need to fill the top two, just the invitation code. Then it will ask you what your date of birth is. So you're going to put that in the format that it tells you there, and you'll click on verify. Okay, give it a second because it just needs a little bit of time to go through that, check if they're happy with it and everything's all okay. Let the system work for a second and it will take you to this page. Now this is your options choices page, and at the moment, because I was having a look at this earlier today, there are a few choices selected. Let me get rid of those. Okay, so this is a blank page and the box is already set up in your group choices for you. So you're all on different pathways, so you just have to trust the computer and look at what it says at the top. So at the top, this one says you've made 0 of 1 choices, so you know you've got 1 choice to make. Now, if you're on the blue pathway and you've been studying French up until now, then French will automatically be there for you. You just need to click on it. Then you go into your second choice box and you know you've got to pick a humanity, so you can pick from geography or history. I'll go for history this time. Click on the word and it will be highlighted, and you'll see on this side of the page it's registering which choices you've picked. Then below that you've got 1 choice to make in this box for your normal choices, and then you've got 2 for your reserved choices. So you might want to pick art and design, so click on that and again it appears on this side, and then you still need to make 2 reserved choices. To make them reserved, click on where it says reserve at the side. So I've decided that for my first reserve, I'm going to pick business. My second reserve, I'm going to pick computing. And now this, down this right-hand side of the page, make sure that these are your final choices in the right order. So that should be, will that one already be your preferential choice? And you've got your second choice. There'll be your first, there are your first main choices. Your reserves are underneath. And please make sure choice number 1 is your preferred reserve choice. If any of these choices you feel like you want to change them, just double click on them and then they'll come off. Obviously, you'll have to pick the compulsory one in each box. But let's say down here you want to change one. If you double click, it'll disappear and then you can pick something else. What you need to do is make sure that when you've done all this, everything on the right-hand side of the screen are the choices that you want and that the reserves in the order that you want. And then you click save. And it will tell you that your choices have been saved. That's exactly what we want. Now, if at any point you want to go back into this and change it, you can do up until the 25th of March. After the 25th of March, the system will close, and they are the choices that we'll take forward for you. Okay, remember, if there's any problems, please speak to me, Mrs. Goggin, your phone tutor, or Miss Gash. We'll all be there to help you. If you've got any problems with logging on or any of the codes or anything don't work, please just let us know, and we'll make sure that we get that sorted out for you. Thank you very much.